Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome back to a new video. My name is Koser, alhamdulillah. Right now I'm doing grocery shopping at Whole Food, so I'm just buying all the things that I need in my grocery list. I like to make a list before I come to the store. I tend to find myself sometimes, I'm human. Sometimes I feel like, oh, it's okay, you need that. Just, sometimes I don't write it down. But whenever I feel like not writing down my grocery, I spend like hours inside the grocery store, and I don't want that to happen. So I always make sure I write down all the things that I need before buying it. So that's what I'm doing, alhamdulillah. So yes, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you so much. All the flowers that you see is kosher, it's halal, alhamdulillah. So the flower that I just pointed at first, that's the one that I use a lot. So yes, and I will see you when I get home. Alhamdulillah, I'm out of Target, mashallah. So I'm done. Now I'm heading home. As you guys can see, the back are soaked with water because it was pouring heavily. Alhamdulillah. Now I'm heading home. And yes. Alhamdulillah, now I'm back home. So those are the grocery that I bought. Feta cheese, and then I also bought like tomatoes onions, cilantro, and then I also bought some mint. I bought avocado, banana, everything, alhamdulillah. I bought sweet potatoes. I bought a lot of things, mashallah. So that's what I bought from Whole Food. Those are the groceries that I got, and then it was pouring rain, so my papers got wet. Even though I had an umbrella, but I had at least 6 bags of grocery. So that is.